Thank you so much for coming back for another Real Talk. Really quick, I got this little buddy heater. It's freaking amazing. If you've never used one or seen one before, it's just phenomenal. We take it to all of our soccer games and football games when it gets really cold. We're in the middle of our very first Arctic blast, I believe they call it, of the year. But anyway, let's get into the video. So I guess I have a question for you. It's kind of a follow-up to another video that I just recently made a couple days ago, talking about our favorite YouTubers and kind of where all they went and what happened to them. And you guys have been phenomenal in the comment section, and I kind of want to address something because I've been thinking a lot about what you guys have said when it comes to YouTubers and why we stop making videos. And really what made me kind of think about all of this is, well, what makes someone watch a YouTube video in the first place? I mean, have you ever wondered why, or asked yourself why you go to YouTube? Why YouTube? I'm a consumer of YouTube just like you guys are. I enjoy watching YouTube videos. I enjoy creators. I love lawn care channels. I'm just somebody who likes to learn new things. And when it comes to YouTube, one of the biggest reasons why I watch YouTube is because of that very reason. I like learning new things. And every time I watch a video on YouTube, I learn something. And that's very different from Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook. Those social media platforms, while yeah, they're funny and you get reels and you have a good time, the time that I spend on those platforms isn't time well served. I'm not really learning anything. So that kind of got me thinking. There are really three reasons why you watch YouTube videos. Really, three reasons why anybody watches a YouTube video. And the first one is to save you time. Time is probably our most valuable resource, and it's something that we are never going to get any more of. It's finite. Like when time is over, time is over. And we're always looking for ways to save time. So if we can watch a video that saves us time, it behooves us, right? It's time well served. The second reason why you might click on a YouTube video is because it saves you money. And we all work extremely hard for our money, and we want to keep the hard-earned money that we make, and we want to make that dollar go further. So saving money is always a good thing. The last reason, and probably the biggest reason why you watch YouTube, because let's face it, saving time and saving money, we all know what's going on with AI these days, right? Like you can put something in ChatGPT and ultimately you really don't even have to watch a YouTube video anymore, to be honest. You can go to Google, find out what you need. You don't need to spend time watching a 12, 15, 30-minute video about something when a quick Google search or ask ChatGPT a question and it spits out the answer. So the last reason why I believe people watch YouTube videos is for the human connection. It's for the thing that AI could never give you. Sorry, I was getting a phone call. AI can never give you that human connection. So time, money, and a human connection. You know, we all want to be relatable. We all want to have somebody that when we watch a YouTube video that we relate to. Maybe they're the same age as us. Maybe they're the same gender as us. Maybe they have the same type of grass that we have. Maybe the things that they're struggling with are the same things that we struggle with. And AI will never be able to give you or replace that. So I think about some of my favorite YouTube creators, and the reason why I like them is because they entertain me and and I'm related. Like, I can relate to them. I can sympathize with them. I can celebrate with them. I can watch them. I can grow with them. And so when we think about YouTube and the future of YouTube, I don't think YouTube will ever go away because of that human connection. And I really enjoy watching and learning and watching other creators. And I know you guys hopefully enjoy watching my content as well. But even as AI grows and the technology gets stronger, I don't think that you could ever take that human element away. I've been in sales for a long time, and you know, AI can replace a lot of things, but it can never replace, you know, people selling to people. People want to buy from other people, and people want to watch other people and have that human connection. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. My name is Devin. I am the DIY Lawn Coach. If you are just joining the video for the first time, I want to say welcome. It is really nice to meet you. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you decided to click on the video. If you're coming back for another one, as always, I really appreciate your support. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're new, consider subscribing to the channel. I just make lawn care videos even throughout the winter when nobody else is making videos. I'm going to be right here making videos because I just love it. I just enjoy it. And I know that if you are anything like me and a lawn care enthusiast like me, like, you just love talking about grass, you love watching grass, even in the wintertime when there's not a whole lot going on. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know kind of your thoughts. Why do you watch YouTube videos? Why do you keep coming back? Is it the people? Is it you just watch videos to save time and you don't really care about the human connection? Or you're just interested in saving money and moving on? I'd love to hear from you. So please comment below. I'd love to chat with you down there. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'm gonna go back inside. This heater feels great, but wife's making dinner, so I'm gonna go and enjoy some time with the family this evening. We're actually putting up Christmas decorations. How about that? So you guys have a wonderful evening. I'll see you guys later. Peace.